In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to tie your Zahra Cap, gele or head wrap. So first of all, I covered my hair. This part is not necessary, but I covered my hair because my hair was looking unkept. So I just wore a woven cap on it. So now I'm going to take my gele. This is the gele I'm using, and you want your gele, the width of your gele to be, it should have a bigger width, yes, and maybe a shorter length preferably. So however, my gele is quite a bit long, not too long. So now I'm folding my gele into two, and I'm using this is a belt from NYSC. So as an alternative, you can also take your carton, you cut it from here to here, yes, and it should just have a little width, the same width as the belt, but you can see it. So this belt, I felt, oh, it's serving this purpose, so let me keep it. So now you want to put your belt inside your gele, okay, and you fold. Make sure you are putting it on the back of the gele to fold, yes, because you're going to turn it over. So you can fold like 2-3 times, but because the width of my gele is not so much, I just folded twice, yes. Now you're going to turn it. The part you folded should be on the outer part, okay? And now you are going to find the size of the cap from your head, okay? Remember, this is a Zahra cap, so you're not meant to put it all the way around your head. It's just supposed to be like you are wearing a cap, okay? All this Hausa cap, just the ring of your head. So once you have found the perfect ring of your head, okay, and it's tight and it fits you properly, you want to take it out while holding that part. Yes, you hold that part. Now you take a rubber band. I'm taking a rubber band, and first of all, I'm just, because my gele is kind of long, I want to just create some sort of, style at the back. I'm going to create like a flower. So you're going to bend it while your hand is still holding that tight. You start by bending one of the extra hand of the gele. You bend it. Don't make the bend too big, okay, because it will make your gele out of proportion. So just small enough, you can see that, and hold it tight. Secure it while you do the same for the second one. Try to ensure that it is as neat as possible, because the neater your gele, the more beautiful it is. Yes, so for the back of your Zahra cap, you can actually do several designs. I'll also be doing some other designs in more of my videos, but this is just for one. If you have gele that is as long as mine, so you can see I'm bending it, yes, and while securing it, I'm trying to arrange it to make it look neat as possible. Now I'm going to use my rubber band, wrap it tight. So I went twice, yes, to secure it as tight as I can, yes. So after I secured it, I went ahead to start styling the excess. So because there is excess, that's why I said, oh, my gele is kind of long. If yours is short and there is no excess there, that's totally fine. However, mine has excess, so I have to bend it the same way I bent the first one. So you can see I'm just trying to arrange the flower that I did, just to make it look neater and for people to know the kind of design, yes, just to give it that excellent look. So I'm just overlapping the flowers to reduce the rumpleness, okay. Now you can pin as required. I just pinned a part that was kind of coming out just to secure it in place. But if you do not require the pin, it's totally fine. So you just pin as required. So I'm folding the gele, the excess, the same way I did for the first one, and I'm securing it under the rubber band. Yes, you may still want to pin it there if you choose, if you feel it's not secure enough, so you can do that. Yes, so you can see I've done that for the top, while the under is a short part, so I just pushed it inside and I wear it while I'm wearing my Zahra cap. Yes, so you want to have your hair done and well, packed and giving room for your Zara gili. So you can't pack your hair shuku and wear Zara gili. So you can see it now. I'm going to be wearing it to secure it. Ensure it is because my gili, the width of my gili is not so long, and that's why there's a lot of space at that part. Yes, so I was just trying to press it in and spread out the excess space to the side of, the cap. Yes, so of course arrange it properly, and this is the final look. Yes, ignore the Vivon cap. So this has the back, looks very beautiful. Yes, so this is it. This is the final look. You can style this to your party, owambe, whatever it is, church, whatever it is. This is, and you can also turn it to the side to make it beautiful. If you found this video helpful, do it to give it a thumbs up. Do well to like this video, do well to leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.